Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to give Hostinger access. Once you're logged into your Hostinger account, click on this little account icon from the top. Select account sharing. Click on grant access first. Then click on grant access button. Insert the email address of the other person you want to grant access to. Select the access level you want to grant. And from this drop-down menu, select one or multiple services to allow to manage. Now click on Grant Access button. Now an email message will be sent to the other person email inbox. All he needs to do is to click on the link inside this message. Before you go, I have something special for you. I have two free online video courses for you. The first one is about Hostinger hosting and WordPress managing, and the second one shows you how to use Hostinger website builder to make basic websites or online shops. You can get them both for free just by clicking the link in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any question, leave a comment below.